Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. In last video we have understood basics of inheritance and I have explained you clearly what is inheritance, why to use and what are the benefits of using inheritance. So in this video we will be try to implement inheritance concept in our coding. So for that let's move to our destination folder. So this is our destination folder as you can see. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. So the folder is open in VS Code as you can see, and now let's open today's file. So today's date 46 and title is single inheritance. So let's directly jump into coding section as we have already discussed in detail about what is inheritance. So first type of inheritance is single inheritance. Also inheritance has multiple types, so which is single, multiple, multi-user and hybrid. We will explore about them in coming videos. So for this video we will be only focusing on single inheritance. So let's explore the code. So first is class user. It has common registration and login page, and another is class student which has enroll and checkout as you can see. So this is single inheritance and I have kept the function same that I have explained in last video. And creating a student class object, as you can see I have created object of class student. So in student I can simply call student.checkout function which is available here, student.enroll function which is available here, and I can also call student.login. So this login function is not available in this class student but is available in its parent class, and I have inherited the parent class by adding the name of class in the arguments or parameters of this class student as you can see. And also this register method is not available in the student class but is available in its parent class, which we have inherited by adding parameter of this class user in class student. So let's run the code to explore it. So let's comment this part and run the code for your explanation. So as you can see this is the output. So first is checkout in student class. So when the code come to line number 16 created the object, then you simply go to the checkout method of class student, printed the output, then it come back to this line number 18 and then it go to enroll method of class student and printed the output, then it simply go to line number 19 to student.login. So it's student.login. What happened is that it go to student class, it search for login method but the login method was not found, then it simply go to parent class of this student which is user, then he found that the login method is present, then he simply printed the output. Then lastly he simply go to the student or registration, he means the compiler, and it simply go to first the student class, the method was not found, then it simply jump to the parent class which is user and the register method was found, and so he simply printed register in user class. So this is the explanation of these 4 lines and how it came. I hope you understand it. Now let's move ahead, which is important part. So answer is in user class object. So here I have created the object of class user. So I can simply access these 2 methods which is user1.login and user1.register or u1.register, and if I print this I will simply get these 2 outputs which is register in user class and login in user class, which is correct also. But I cannot access these 2 methods of class student. If I simply go here and simply write u1 dot, I am only saying these 2 methods and not enroll and checkout, because a parent cannot inherit it from its child but child can inherit it from its parent. So in coding section a parent class cannot inherit members of its child but a child can inherit members of its parent. This is the proof of that concept that I explained you in last video. So this is all for today's video, and I have a task for you. The task is that explore different types of inheritance. So first is single inheritance that I have already explained you here. The second is multiple inheritance, third is multi-level inheritance, and fourth is hybrid inheritance. I have provided the best link on internet available here, which is from Geeks for Geeks. So this is that website. As you can see, it simply explains what is type of inheritance and how you can code for them. So here is the sample code and different type of inheritance along with the visual representation. So let's move back to the VS Code. So do explore this concept, and if you find some of the important blogs or beautiful blogs, you can post them in comment section so that other viewers can also view that blogs. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it to the family and friends. Also, if you face any queries or difficulties in understanding or running this code, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. Also, the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.